sorrow, knowing that the world as we know it is coming to an end. Who would you tell and when would you tell them? Do you think they would believe you that the time to prepare is long gone? Metal birds in the air with their tails on fire, with smoke trails behind them. Destinations unknown, nothing or no one to stop them. Everyone should have known when they gathered all the generals to one place. There are 3 madmen with their planes in the air, with only family and friends. The world watches with their heads turned up to the sky. Fathers, mothers, and children, all of them with tears in their eyes. The wealthy are all heading underground as they wait for the sound of the end of humanity, as the world they once knew begins to disappear. Large cities the first to go. The cowards didn't let anyone know. How can I tell the people that I love what I know? Will the powers that be try to stop me? I can't send a message. They're listening closely, it's all part of the plan. You'll see it in plain sight, but you won't believe your eyes. Soldiers in the streets, fences going up all around. They'll distract you with stupidity just before the electricity is all shut down. Metal birds are in the air, coming to a city near you. The writing's on the wall, I only wish I could have told you all. With a heavy heart and my soul being torn apart, this is just a song with words you have all heard before. Keep your head towards the sky, you saw it in a movie so many times before. Only this time it won't be AI.